Welcome back. So, Love Upon a Time, episode 3 recap and review. The mission begins. Episode 3 of Love Upon a Time takes a deeper, more emotional turn, bringing mystery, romance, and a clear sense of purpose, to Nakun's journey. And for the first time, we finally understand he has a mission. The episode opens with a powerful dream. Nakun experiences Klaus' memory, watching his father, Lord, been accused of corruption, bribery, and selling opium. Despite Claude trying to defend him, his father tells him to stay silent, insisting the truth will come out someday. But it doesn't. He's sentenced to 50 lashes and dragged away. It's brutal and emotional. Nakun wakes up shaken. He tries to get answer from Choi, but is told to leave the past buried. Still, something doesn't sit right with him, and that feeling only grows stronger. Later, we get a lighter moment as Nakun is basically forced into joining a canal bath. Reluctant at first, he eventually gives in thanks to Pop teasing him. From there, they head to the temple, and visually, this sequence stands out. Nakun is in awe of the beauty around him, but emotionally, he feels heavy. Even though these aren't his memories, he can feel Klaus' sorrow like it's his own. That confusion, that emotional overlap is becoming harder to ignore. But things takes a stranger turn when a commotion breaks out, and this is where the mystery deepens. Nakun encounters the fortune teller, someone who seems to recognize him, or at least understand what he is going through. When he accidentally touches her, he experiences a vision, a cryptic message, a promise, a wish, something lost must be restored. This moment changes everything because Nakun realizes this isn't random. There's a reason he's here. Back home, tension rises between Nakun and Pop. Nakun is frustrated. Pop's constant protection starts to feel suffocating, and he finally speaks up, asking for space, for freedom. And honestly, it's a much needed moment because underneath the care, there's control. Then comes the big realization. Alone in his room, Nakun connects the dot. From what he learned and what his professor once taught him, if someone travels through time, they usually have a purpose, a mission, and just like that, it clicks. His mission is to uncover the truth behind Klaus' life and what really happened to his father. From here, the episode slows down in a good way. We see Nakun actively investigating, writing things down, piecing together clues. It's a shift from confusion to determination and it makes the story feel more focused. At the same time, the emotional and romantic tension continues to build. There's quite a moment where Fov tries to take care of Nakun, bringing him food, noticing small details, even wiping ink off his face. It's soft, intimidating, and just when the moment almost turns romantic, it's interrupted. Classic drama timing. We also expect a subplot with Jom and Kaur exploring unspoken feelings and emotional uncertainty, mirroring the main story themes of love and agitation. But the mystery isn't done yet. Nakun continues to have dreams about Claw's father, reinforcing one key idea. He might have been innocent. If that's true, then everything we have been told so far could be wrong. The episode built towards a strong ending. Nakun heads to the market despite being warned, and when he sees a woman in danger, he steps in without hesitation. But then something unexpected happens. The man causing trouble freezes when he sees Nakun, terrified like he's seen a ghost, and that's where the episode ends. Or on a question that changes everything. Who is this man and what does he know about law? Episode 3 is where Love Upon a Time truly finds its direction. It blends mystery, emotional depth, and slow burn romance while finally giving Nakun a clear goal. The pacing feels tighter, the stakes feel higher, and the story is finally moving forward with purpose. And with that final twist, things are only going to get more intense from here. Thank you for watching. Bye.